Okay, just proving that the date is May 25th. All right. Carter, do you want a baby brother or baby sister? Hmm?
Brother, sister.
Okay, what's in right there? What's in there?
What's in here?
The baby girl.
A baby girl?
Or a baby boy?
Is it a baby girl or baby boy?
Carter, what's in here?
Carter,
What's in here?
The baby girl.
it's a baby girl?
For sure.
Carter, what's in here? Carter, what's in here? What's in
The baby girl.
Baby girl, huh? Well, we don't even know if mommy's pregnant yet, so if you are right, then you're gonna pick out my next lottery ticket, okay?
So you're predicting the sex and that I'm already pregnant.
Yep.
2 things.
Okay. Okay. Nostradamus Carter. All right.